Hi guys, and welcome to a video. So today I'll be playing Slime Rancher. Honestly, I'm just doing this for fun. I mean, like, I basically completed a game. I could complete the game at any moment if I felt like it. See, I got some saber tooths. If you guys can comment on this video, would you mind to maybe per se crap, I forget. Oh, tell me what to do for the next video, or maybe ask me to make some combinations, see how good they work. Or maybe, if you're very, very nice, you could tell me. Crap, I forget again. I'm gonna pause this until I remember. Okay, 1 second. Okay, yeah, I just can't remember. Never mind. Anyway, so basically, if you could do that, it would be very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. How about we go for 20 likes? 20 likes will do. I mean, like, I can't really see how much you guys viewed because this whole entire, like, glitch is going on with the whole entire, like, see how many views you have. I mean, like, I'm just doing this for fun, to be honest, guys. My channel's been pretty lame so far. I've only been doing, like, one thing. So I thought I would switch it up and start playing some Slime Rancher and stuff. And my birthday is coming up real soon. So since my birthday is coming up, I'll be able to get some more games to play and show you, so I have a variety to choose from. I also have Warface, but the problem with that game is that I don't know if it's going to do that whole backwards thing. Like, you know the thing that it does with a mirror? You know what a mirror does? Like, it makes everything go backwards. Well, that's what my phone did on one game, and I'm not that sure if it's going to do that again or not with this, or maybe even Call of Duty. So if it does do it with this, then I'm very sorry, and if you guys don't watch it, probably had that coming. But still, though, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to get to this. What was I doing again? Oh, yeah, that's right. So I need to go over here. And, again, if you have any combinations for me that you want, if the comments aren't, like, all funked up and stuff, then, yeah, messed up. Well, anyways, I'm going to collect some saber tooth and all that fun type of crap. Or should I say stuff? Anyways, yeah, I keep on saying anyways a bunch. If you'd like to see me do, like, a whole entire, like, per se, if you want me to do episodes of me, like, playing Slime Rancher, I would happily create a new world and do that for you if you really want me to. Whoa, that was a close one. So, yeah. So, I don't really know what to do anymore. Like, I just got on here to start talking and for fun to get used to this again because I haven't uploaded in months. Like, months upon months. But I shouldn't whine about it. Know that much. Anyways, I'm going to go look at... Dang, I keep on saying anyways a lot. But I'm going to come over here and look at this to see if there's anything that I may want. Master Gordo Snare, eh? No, I might just make some of this stuff. I don't know yet. One really long royal jelly, though. Well, it doesn't really matter that much. But I guess I'll just go over to the 7Z rewards thing, like the whole entire 7Z rewards, and just go on ahead and buy all the things. So yeah, nice. 7Z reward club, 120,000. That is fairly expensive. Abyssal Pump and Slime Trophy 3. Huh. Well, that's nice. Yeah. Cool. Now, just so you guys can see me actually do something, it's been 5 minutes, so I say to heck with it, and I'm just going to go on ahead and go on to Moki Miles. At least I think it's called Mochi or Moki Miles. But I'm gonna go over there and do some silver plort collecting, get all that stuff, get the corral over there. Yes, yes. I've been talking about me having all this stuff unlocked, but the things I don't have unlocked, man. Oh, that was a close one. I need a little bit. I need 700 minus 57. Though, so anyways, I'm gonna just head on over here. Press that if I can. And then, yeah, let the games begin. Spark shot. Shoot all of these with sparks. Sparkity, spark, spark. Remember, I'm just doing this because you guys need to have some content to watch if you're actually going to watch this video. You know, like, it's 6 minutes in, so I hope that you actually stay for 6 minutes and watch me. I'm really sorry that you can't get the full screen. I'm on a phone right now. Like, some troubles with my brother happened, and his PC is now gone. And, yeah. I'm not really sure if I can ask for a whole entire PC for my birthday. That'd be a little too much. Alright, come on. Can't slip past me, bud. Man, I'm getting pretty good at hitting these things. Dang. Oh, might want to get more time. Just may want to. Well, I don't know if I have enough quartz. I'm going to hit this thing over here so I can have more time. Yep. Yep-a-doo. Yeppers. Yep-a-dooper. Yeah. Well, I missed like all of them. I only got 38. That's pretty bad, actually. That isn't that good. It isn't that good. I mean, like, I don't really want to be in here doing all this, like, plort collecting. I mean, yeah, plort collecting. All the quicksilver plorts and stuff and all of that. And, Ogden, man, the first time it went in there, it was one heck of a time. One heck of a darn time. You don't believe on how, you can't even predict on how much a struggle it was to find the pathway out of there. Like, I was in there for hours, just trying to get out. Like, I didn't even care about the stuff that I could collect in there. I just wanted out. I mean, like, Ogden's thing's actually pretty fun. It's just hard to find a warp gate to get out. So, you know what? I might actually go on over to Ogden and be over there for a little bit. I will see you when I get there. Alright, I'm at Ogden's, and this is the portal right here. Alright, I might want to put down the spicy tofu. Alright, I'll start right there, I guess. Anyways, so that's pulled back. Alright, wish me luck. Oh my gosh, I spawned right in the area where... Oh, so you eat those. Oh, well that's good to know. Well, golly. I never knew that. Well, anyways, I'm gonna get a bunch of these kookadoobas. Whatever they're called those. Why are they called the kookadoobas? Don't know. Don't ask. Please don't ask. Like, if I really feel like it, I guess I could collect some Saberports while I'm here so I can sell them when I get back so I can make a real big fortune. But a fortune doesn't really matter to me right now. What really matters to me, well, first of all, I need to get you off my butt. Ow. It makes it even worse because they're freaking invisible. Get away. No. 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 I am not going out like this. This is not a good way to go out. I'd rather go out another way than buy these things. Whose idea was it to put an already feral slime in here? Like, seriously. I hate this. I hate those slimes. Well, at least they're not feral when you spawn them in. I'm gonna get that Saberport. Okay, so anyways, where did that mud ball go? Oh, did it disappear? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh man, that sucks. Well, I guess I'll just have to deal with it. Like I always do. Just deal with it. Tell myself to shut up and deal with it. Ow. Stop biting me, you ferocious little monsters. Jeez. Man, I need to run. Things are real hungry. Only time that these things should eat humans is when they're hungry. You know, like, I guess they have been here for for hundreds of years. Oh man, but they're so cute when they're happy though. But not so cute when they're mad. Yeah, I can see that glare. Think I don't? Come on, bro. Yeet! Go originate somewhere else. No, I think I'm just gonna let the Tars finish them off. So I don't have to worry about them. Sorry. I have a timer set for when I have to go to bed. So I had to check. Now I'm about to turn you guys into flippin' Tars. If you don't quit it. If you don't quit this. Right this instant, I will turn one of you into Tars and I'll let you guys all be devoured. Sounds dark, but it's really the only way I can dispose of these little ferocious monsters. I mean, like, I could do it the hard way and just feed them all so they're not feral, but that takes a real long time. And I don't really think that you guys want to see me feeding these guys while you're watching a video. So yeah. Anyways, I'm going to pause this, and maybe I'll unpause it every time I find a mud ball. Oh, would you look at that? I found a mud ball. I'll pause it after I crack this mud ball open and get the insides of the mud ball. And yeah, do that. Wait, where's the little thing to crack them open? Oh, it's all the way over there. Alright. I see you, game. I see you. You want to make me run all the way over here next to all the ferocious saber slimes and throw that thing in there only to wait longer and hope not to get eaten and for you to fling them all everywhere and for the saber slimes to maybe eat them. Gosh knows what the outcomes can be. Like, honestly. Ow! Don't you have other problems to deal with, mister? Do you really have to spend all your time eating me? I mean, like, thankfully I have, like, the fully maxed out health that I can get, but if I didn't, I'd be dead by now. Like, they're too much. Again, I am so happy that they aren't like this when you, like, mix them up with beer slimes at the base. Anyways, I'm going to pause this, get a lot of these, leave, and maybe I'll pause it from time to time every time I find a mud ball. No, yeah, I'm gonna unpause it every time I find a mud ball. And yeah. Oh, found a mud ball. Man, the first time I went in here, I couldn't find any mud balls. Like, literally none. Which honestly, if I were to be honest, this is my second time being in here. I'm so happy I came in here, like, very late in the game. Because if I wouldn't have, then I would be dead by now. Like, I would be. It's the honest to God truth. Anyways, I'm going to pause this. See you whenever I... Hi guys, I'm back. I got 48 Kookaduba, that's what it's called. And now I'm going to trade it all in for that special fertilizer. Don't worry, I'll pick that up. Alright, well, it's time for reading. Thanks so much for all these, whatever, I don't know what that's even called. You're off to a great start. The Miracle Mix I developed for my own crops is now available in your garden upgrades. Miracle Mix prevents fruits and veggies from rotting, and don't worry, I make it with all natural materials, good healthy stuff. But I didn't always think this way. I used to run a huge company on Earth that made InstaFood. Quick cheat meals made of nothing but chemicals and preservations. We made billions, but we weren't making real food. Instead, our food engineers worked on design products. It wasn't right. So I came to the far, far range to grow my own wholesome food with my two hands. I wanted to leave my life on Earth behind. But enough about that. On to whatever that's called. If you get me a bunch more, I'll give you the specs for a deluxe upgrade for your gardens. I love deluxe things. I have the deluxe chicken thing, and it's very, very useful. I'm sorry, I didn't even notice that you couldn't see the whole thing. There you go. I'll keep it like that for now. Deluxe upgrades for your garden. Get to it, Beatrix. I got a new recipe here, and I need loads of whatever that's called fruit to get it just right. Alright, that's cool. Alright, let's turn it to how I had it. There we go, perfect. Alright, anyways, so let me check the time. 2 minutes till the timer goes off. If the video ends as soon as that timer goes off, you'll know, because you might hear a timer. I don't know if you will, but if you do, then you know that the video might go off and it won't be going on anymore. But still, it's pretty good. But still, if it didn't go off, then I'll keep on recording. If it did, then that's pretty sad. Yeah. I'm gonna end this video at like 25 minutes. I'll be right back. I gotta use the bathroom. Alright, I'm back. Apparently no timer. Well, anyways, back to what I was saying. What was I saying again? What was I saying again? Oh yeah, that's right. About the whole entire time thing. I might go over 25. But as soon as I notice I went over 25, I will stop the timer. But yeah, anyways, I am going to go to all of my crops and put the deluxe upgrade on them, so they don't rot ever. Ever. Oh, the Miracle Mix. Sorry, that's what I meant to say. Miracle Mix. Wait a minute. 1 second. Let me read what it says. Special mix greatly increases the time it takes for ripe fruit and veggies to rot, so long as they are touching the garden soil. Oh. So it doesn't really doesn't really decrease the time on how long it takes. Well, anyways, I will be back as soon as I upgrade all of my crops with the blue box. See you when I get back. Okay guys, I'm back and I am better than ever. And right now I'm kind of sorta lost on what to do because like I got everything in the game pretty much. I said pretty much. Don't forget that I said pretty much. But again, if you guys have anything to suggest for me to do, if you even can, type in the comments. Suggest what games you want me to play, what mixtures of slimes you want me to make. I'm sorry, but if you make any like mod requests, like for me to use some mods, I cannot use a mod on here because this is an Xbox One, not a PC. I mean, like if I was on a PC, then I would happily do any mods. As a matter of fact, I'd do any mods I want freely because of the fact of me just being bored, honestly. But sorry, I can't really do mods. So you guys are probably pretty bored, pretty bored. So I think I might end the video here. Oh, I forgot to do these crops. Oh, I'll just keep on talking and not end the video until I get everything situated in here. Yeah, alright, yeah, that seems like a good plan. I need to water my drones. Man, I wish they could hold like 1,000, like, I wish that you could fill them up infinitely with as much water as you feel like you want. So like, you don't have to keep on running back and forth for these drones. Which I bet everybody is complaining about because it's so hard to keep a thing automated and just leave it alone because the drones, you know, the drones. So like, you can leave and let the drones do its thing here for like a good bit, but then here and there you're gonna have to come back and water all the drones again, which I find pretty annoying. But yeah. So anyways guys, that's it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I sadly cannot edit this because I have no idea how to edit this. But if I ever do figure out, you'll notice whenever you see some edited things. So yeah, see you next time guys. Bye. Oh, and don't forget 20 likes. 20.